Can you see yourself in the 2025 Subaru Outback? Get outside and explore in comfort in this feature-rich Outback. Rugged, safe, and built to last, this capable compact SUV is your reliable partner on every adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, satellite radio, premium sound system, backup camera, power passenger seat, heated front seat, heated mirrors. Indulge your adventurous side in this well-equipped Outback. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.